I'm Matt Hughes. I'm from Aberystwyth in Mid Wales. I'm 47 years old. I've been playing since I was 11, 12. I play forward, the mighty forward, those barefoot rascals. I teach. I have my own side project called Arc, and I also dep for a local covers band called Smoking Guns. So I started playing Collision Drumsticks a couple of years ago now, and what I found from them is the durability is what I really love about them. I go through a lot of sticks, I hit them hard, and I tend to break them a lot. This set I've been playing, I play the 5 ARs for two purposes. One, the extra little bit of reach I get, I just find it gets me around the kit a little bit quicker. And just what I love about these so much is how they stick to your hand. You know, they don't fall out like a lot of drumsticks do when you're sweating in a gig. A lot of my old sticks I used to wrap stick tape around them just to get them to grip to my hand, and I don't need to do that with these at all. They're durable, they fit lovely in the hand, the balance is bang on, and they sound great. So what I'm going to be playing for you now, I'm going to be covering Muse's Hysteria. Collision Drumsticks, check them out.